Hi, what's up? This is my first video in English. If you like it and you want to see more, then give me a like, subscribe my channel and let's go! One important point. In the morning you should say Kalimera and in the evening Kalispera. I made it wrong all the time. And let's go! Corfu is the northernmost Greek island and it's only a few kilometers from the Albanian mainland. Here you must be careful that your mobile phone does not dial into the Albanian fixed network, otherwise it can be very expensive. This video focuses on the green, mountainous northern part of the island. I can recommend Actice as a place to visit. You will find out why in the first chapter and in the bonus part of the end of the video. From there we will go on a day hiking through the jungle of Corfu, explore the Bay of Love, visit Cape Actice and jump into the cool water, get to know how the fantastic double bay, bathing suits are a must here, visit a waterfall that probably few locals know about and capital with its fortress. The beautiful old town with its winding streets should not be missed. Actice is a good starting point for our tours. There are many shops and tavernas and it's definitely worth taking a look at the second row of the old town, where you can find nice tavernas. If you like water and the sea, you will find it here too. You can walk a long way along the very long beach, but it's a bit stony in places. There are also many tavernas directly on the beach where you can enjoy the evening sun. The starting point of our day's hike is a small mini market in Actice, where you can stock up your drink and food. We walk past gardens with beautiful plants and can already see the beautiful hinterland. Olive groves as far as you can see. The net is used to catch the olives during the harvest. Not only old buildings can see on the tour, but also the parking of defects cars are typical for the island. The path winds up and offers us a great view. Now we continue upwards along the small paths, the jungle of Corfu. We have earned it, a nice taverna in the village of Lucky. What a view! From this spot we have a wonderful view of the coast and the surrounding sea. Slowly we came to the end of the tour. We already see the sea. The tour ends at the sea. From there we walk back to the starting point. The starting point of our tour is a large free park in Sidari. Sidari itself, it's a very lively place with a large sandy beach. The eroded sandstone formations are really something special. At the beginning we see the small love channel, which I personally find much more beautiful than the somewhat larger that follows. The large love channel, the small beach sections, and in the background the cave through which lovers are supposed to swim. Cape Dresses. We park as early as possible in the car park, as parking spaces are scarce there. What a great view of the Cape. Unfortunately, you can't go there as it's privately owned. Once you get down there, you can swim in the bay. It's just beautiful. Especially on the right side, you have a good opportunity to get into the water. You park outside of Corfu town in a pay and display car park. We walk from there along the harbor towards to the old Venetian fortress. This place houses a museum of Asian art. For a fee, the old Venetian fortress can be visited. From there you have a beautiful view over the city center. The old town hall. It is also worth stopping in this area to watch the hustle and bustle. It's a very lively place. What colors! What plants, simply fantastic. Of course, there is also a large selection of fruits. Typical for Corfu are the olive wood products that you can buy everywhere. We park at the entrance of Actice, or if you prefer, you can park in the large pay and display car park. The town of Actice is a small mountain village that is definitely worth to visit. Charming little narrow streets, just as you would imagine Greece to be. Enjoy the view. And fantastic, isn't it? Past the restaurant, we head down towards the beach. If you want to visit the waterfall, you can park at the sports ground, for example, or simply continue along the road as far as you dare. Wonderful views of the valley and the mountains. And here again you can see kumquats. Down there is a waterfall. Be careful, the path can be a little bit slippery. There is it, the waterfall. After rainfall it's much bigger. On the way back you should stop at the village square of Memphis, where you can have a look at the spring of Memphis and drink some water. This water is said to have healing properties. The place itself, it's not so spectacular. And what a great place to make vacation or. I hope you enjoy the video and have fun.